These days, everybody wants a microwave blessing. They put their woes on a plate and punch in the seconds. As they wait without stirring their spirit, they become impatient and complain. And then they forget to check their hearts after they have confessed Jesus' name. They ask, "How long must I wait for my blessings to come?" Well, last time I checked, those microwave blessings will not be ready until God's will be done.